Have you ever felt like you are working hard but still not moving forward? Jack Ma once said, "Success is not about intelligence or luck. It is about habits." And the truth is, most people don't fail because of big mistakes. They fail because of small habits they repeat every single day. Today I will show you 5 habits that are silently destroying your future. Listen carefully, because one of them might be yours. 1. Procrastination. Let's start with the most dangerous one. Procrastination. Waiting for the perfect time is an illusion. There is no perfect time. Jack Ma built his empire not because he waited, but because he started when everything was uncertain. Every time you say, "I will do it tomorrow," you are choosing failure slowly. The truth is simple. Delayed action becomes lost opportunity. If you don't start today, you are already behind. 2. Staying in your comfort zone. Comfort feels safe, but it is secretly dangerous. Jack Ma failed many times before success, but he never stayed in comfort. Growth never happens where you feel safe. If everything in your life feels easy, you are not growing, you are stuck. Comfort zones don't kill you suddenly, they kill your future slowly. 3. Negative thinking. What you think shapes what you become. Jack Ma always believed that complaining is a waste of energy. People who always blame others never move forward. Negative thinking doesn't change your situation, it only weakens your mindset. The world is not stopping you, your thoughts are. If your mind is weak, your life will be weak too. 4. Ignoring learning. The world is changing fast. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Jack Ma once said, "Future success belongs to those who learn faster than others." If you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, you start falling behind without even realizing it. Skills are the new currency of life. No learning, no future. 5. Wrong circle. Look at your friends and you will see your future. If your circle is lazy, you will become lazy. If your circle is negative, you will become negative. Jack Ma strongly believed that people shape your destiny more than money. Your environment is either building you or breaking you. Choose wisely, because not everyone deserves access to your future. Final message. Jack Ma's life teaches one powerful lesson. Success is not magic. It is repetition. Small habits, repeated daily, become your future. So ask yourself today, are your habits building your future or destroying it? Because the truth is simple. Your future is not decided tomorrow. It is decided by what you do right now.